Ready to potentially amplify your crypto profits or losses? Let's dive into Binance Futures with strategies Pushpendra might use. First, access Binance Futures through the Derivatives tab. Understanding leverage is key. Higher leverage multiplies potential gains, but also losses. Adjust your leverage carefully. I recommend starting small. Next, explore order types. Market orders execute instantly at the current price. Limit orders fill at a specific price or better. And stop limit orders trigger a limit order. When a certain price is reached, I'll use a limit order as an example. I'm setting a limit order to buy Bitcoin at $29,500. Input the price and the amount you want to buy. Then click buy. Long. It's now in the order book waiting to be filled. Monitor your position. The liquidation price is crucial. If the market moves against you and hits that price, you'll lose your initial margin. Your P&L reflects your unrealized gains or losses. Risk management is critical. I'll set a stop-loss order to protect my capital. This will automatically close my position if the price drops to a certain level, limiting my potential losses. Click on Stop Limit and set your stop and limit price. Remember, technical analysis can help predict market movements. Explore indicators like moving averages or RSI charts can show you entry and exit points to manage your positions.